watching Tech and You. Now, you know, Manav, how everyone is in a hurry to catch up with the latest technologies?
Yep, that's true. But you know what? I have a feeling that your light pockets are holding you down. I don't know how far it'll get you with technology that way.
Come on, Manav. Don't be such a pessimist. Now, look at Carbon. They've just launched a budget tablet. And here's the review for the same. Take a look.
Hi, I am here to see Shruti Sharma.
Hello? Gaurav, she's in a meeting right now.
Okay, no problem.
Now, time never waits for anyone, but we have to wait for people. And it can be a long wait. You really don't know how to pass your time.
Excuse me, Mr. Gaurav. Mr. Gaurav, please sit properly. This is not your bedroom.
Now, that was embarrassing. Yeah, but then admitted, all of us have faced this situation in our life. It is so hard to pass the time. But then, I think a tablet in this situation would have been really handy, don't you think?
Yes, if I had a tablet, I would have sat there comfortably, taken out my tablet and passed my time without any humiliation.
So tablets help you to kill time and also help you avoid those embarrassing situations. Now, last week we showed you the Zinc tablet. We have shown you other budget tablets like Micromax Funbook and the HCL Me Tab. And this week we're going to be showing you another budget tablet. It's from Carbon. It's called the Smart Tab 1. And it's the first budget tablet that runs on Android's latest Jelly Bean OS.
The Carbon Smart Tab 1 is a 7-inch tablet that is all wide except from the front, where it's all glass. The plastic body feels sturdy. There are physical keys like power, option, home and return. They are nicely shaped and neatly placed. You have your ports, which include a 3.5mm jack, HDMI port, mini USB, micro SD and a charging socket, all on the left side of the tablet. And there's a 2-megapixel front-facing camera. And yes, there is no volume rocker key, so control the volume from the screen.
Now, just like the other budget tablet, this one also has a 7.1-inch capacitive touchscreen with 800 by 480 pixel of resolution. And unlike the others that offer a VGA front-facing camera, this one offers a 2-megapixel front-facing camera. So video chats become a little clearer.
The interface is pretty neat and simple. While the screen is not the brightest, and a very close look will reveal a pixel or two, but it's fine for a tablet in this segment. It has a 5-point multi-touch screen with pinch to zoom. The touch works fine, no need for repeated swiping.
Like I said, it's the first budget tablet in India that comes with Android's latest Jelly Bean OS. But if you have the older Smart Tab that was coming with Ice Cream Sandwich, don't worry, your models would be upgradable to Jelly Bean.
Almost all the budget tablets are running on Android 4.0 Ice Cream Sandwich. Carbon Smart Tab 1's new model will have Jelly Bean that has improved interface in terms of functionality and performance. And talking about the specs, you have a 1.2 GHz processor, 512 MB of RAM, Wi-Fi, 3G support through USB dongle, 3700 mAh